Whenever a brand like Newmar rolls out something new, you already know it's not just another RV, it's an event. And this time, they didn't just tweak an existing model or add a fresh floor plan. Nope. They introduced a whole new family to the lineup, and it goes by the name Summit Aire. This is a Superclass C coach offered in 2 layouts, one of which is clearly aimed at families who want to travel together without giving up an ounce of comfort or style. No matter which layout you choose, though, this is not your average motorhome. Just look at the starting price, which sits at just under $900,000. And it's obvious this rig is built for full-on luxury living, not the occasional weekend getaway. The Summit Aire feels like it's meant for people who are ready to trade the everyday routine for something a lot more free. This is the kind of setup where homeowners associations aren't calling the shots anymore, and the only real limits you'll run into are campground rules. Trying to cover everything this RV offers would take all day. So instead, think of this less like a motorhome and more like a future home on wheels, and let's hit some of the highlights. From the outside, the foundation alone tells you a lot. Newmar builds the Summit Aire on a Freightliner Cascadia chassis, the same kind of truck platform that hauls freight across the country day in and day out. Under the hood, there's a Detroit DD16 engine pushing out 600 horsepower and allowing up to 30,000 pounds of towing capacity. That means you can bring a car, a boat, maybe even another trailer, and still have room to spare. Suddenly, that price tag starts making a lot more sense. The exterior styling is another surprise. If you're not usually a fan of big RV graphics, this one might change your mind. The design is bold and modern, blending black, gray, red, and white in a way that actually feels tasteful and upscale. What's even cooler is that this particular paint scheme is a one-off, meaning the owner gets something truly unique. More designs are coming, but for now, this one stands alone. Once you step inside, the space really opens up thanks to 3 slide-outs included in both floor plans. The largest slide runs along the driver's side and can include everything from sofas and dinettes to the galley and bedroom entertainment center, depending on the layout. The family-focused 4540 layout even adds bunk beds, which is a big deal for those traveling with kids. On the opposite side, the other slides handle the bedroom and additional living or kitchen space, with some variation between the 4540 and the 4505 layouts. Inside, the materials and craftsmanship are exactly what you'd expect at this level. You're getting handcrafted maple cabinetry with soft, close hardware, leather seating, solid surface countertops, and decor packages that let you tailor the look to your own taste. It all feels refined without being stuffy. The systems are just as impressive. You've got filtered water throughout, strong heating and air conditioning, an AquaMiser shower, washer and dryer options, generators, heated tanks, and just about every comfort you'd want for long-term travel. If you can think of it, chances are Newmar already built it in. And if you're dreaming of getting off the grid, the Summit Aire is ready for that too. Up top, you can option up to 4 solar panels, backed by a massive lithium battery bank and dual inverters. This rig is built to handle serious power demands, which means fewer hookups and more freedom. Even the outdoor living side is covered. There's an exterior entertainment setup with lighting, so you can watch the game or a race after sunset, plus a pull-out freezer tray that keeps snacks and drinks handy without tracking dirt inside. All in all, the Summit Aire feels like a rock-solid platform for seeing the country in serious comfort. Just keep in mind that the advertised price is only the starting point, and once you add options, it's easy to see this creeping toward the $1 million mark. The upside is that dealers often come in under MSRP, so it pays to shop around. Some people hesitate when it comes to first-generation models, and that's understandable. But from what we're seeing here, Newmar seems to have come out swinging. Let me know what you think. Would you take the leap and leave your old routine behind for something like the Summit Aire?